Hi guys, today we are going to solve the day 11 of the 30 days of code challenge. The name of the challenge is 2D arrays. Okay, let's get started. So let's read the problem statement. We have a 6x6 array, yeah, like this, and we have this pattern called hourglass. Okay, there are 16 hourglasses in a 6x6 array. Okay, and we are going to find the hourglass sum for every hourglass in A, then print the maximum hourglass sum. Okay, so we need to find the maximum hourglass sum. There's a sample input. Okay, the count of these hourglasses are 16, I think. 4, 4, 4, 4. Okay, 16. And the largest is 19. The largest hourglass sum is 19. Okay. And that is this one, I think. Yeah. Okay. So okay, we can solve this. Let's define a function called solve array. Okay, def solve array. Just let's print the 6x6 array in order to visualize that, in order to have a solid understanding about that array. Okay, for I in range for j in range 6x6 print okay ij, but without new line. Okay, let's see the output. Okay, so this is input and this is output. Okay, so how do we find all hourglasses? Okay, just there's a picture of the 6x6 matrix. So, and this is an hourglass. Okay, so the main thing about hourglass is the important factor in hourglass is the middle part, this part. So if we can find the middle part, we can find the whole shape of the hourglass, because the top left is -1 and -1. What do I mean saying -1 and -1? Let's say this is the position of the center of the hourglass is I and G. Okay, I and G, I and G. Okay, so if we subtract 1 from I, we will go to the up, and in this place, if we subtract -1 from j, then we will go to the left, then up left is -1. This is -1, 0, and this is -1 plus 1. Okay, this is 0, 0, 0, 0, and this is plus 1 because we are going downside. Yeah, plus 1, -1, -1. Okay, plus 1, 0, plus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. Okay, sorry for my typing because I'm using mouse right now. So in order to not get the overflow error, we should check this, because after subtracting ones from these positions, we will get in these positions. Okay, so we are going to work with these centers. This, because if we go to the edge, then adding or subtracting 1 is really harmful for us because it will cause the overflow error. Okay, so we are going to work on the central part. Okay, so what do I mean saying central part? I mean this part. We should exclude the 0 and 0th and 5th column and rows. So okay, we are getting this here, central part. Okay, so let's change this I with R, J with C, R for row, C for column. So let's get rid of those painters. Okay. We should define directions. These directions, okay. So we are going to define them as an array. How many directions we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, see 7 directions. Okay. -1, -1. -1, 0. -1, 0. -1 plus 1. -1 plus 1. 0. 0. Plus 1, -1. -1. Plus 1, 0. Plus 1, 0. Plus 1, plus 1. Okay. This means up left. Just go up go up and to the right side. Stay where you are. Go bottom left. Go just bottom. Go bottom and right. Okay. Okay. We have that. So we are going to traverse through those directions. Like this in directions. Okay. So array R plus I column plus J. Okay, we are going to create a variable called Sn. It stands for sum. Okay, okay. So after that, we are getting some of the hourglass, and we should find the maximum sum of the hourglass. So we are going to create a variable called mx from max sum. Okay, and that mx should be initialized to the something really big. Okay, let's say minus 9 multiplied by 36, because we have 36 elements in a 6 by 6 array, and each element is bigger or equal to the minus 9, so it's enough. So minus 9 multiplied by 36 is enough to solve this problem. Okay, then return that mx and print that return value. Okay, sample test cases are passed. Submit is got. Oh, great, we have solved this problem. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to challenge yourself, please try a random challenge. See you in the next video. Bye.